Alright you all, we are jumping straight into this hair tutorial today, but first, if you want to see more beginner-friendly hair tutorials like this one, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also turn your post notifications on so that way you can be notified when I upload a new video. Today I will be trying out the ball cap method, and I'm first going to use the Ebin 24 Edge Tamer. This is literally one of the very few edge controls that actually controls my edges, and it keeps them nice and laid throughout the entire day. And if you want to get your hands on this product, make sure that you check out the description box down below for the links. And I'm just going to use my edge brush to smooth everything out. Next, I'm going to adjust the cap so I can cut out the ear holes. Doing this step has personally helped me so much to lay down my sideburns and when applying my wigs. Now I'm going to use the Ghost Bond glue to lay down the cap. Now you all, this was literally my first time using this product. I normally use the Got To Be Free spray, but here I'm just applying a thin layer around my hairline, and I'm going to be using my edge brush to smooth it all out. And lastly, I'm going to go in with my blow dryer on high heat to melt the cap into my skin. Here I'm using my scissors to cut off the excess cap, and make sure you are very careful when you do this step. You do not want to cut off your edges or your eyebrows, and I promise you guys I have definitely done both, so be careful. Next, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 330 to give that ball cap effect, and I'm also going to be using that same powder on the lace of my wig as well. Now I'm going to place my wig on my dome head for styling. I already went ahead and sectioned off the top part of my lace front into two sections. first I was going to create 2 buns with this hairstyle, but later on y'all are going to see that I definitely changed my mind. And now I'm just going to use my comb to pull out some hair for some baby hairs. And if you all want to grab the dome head that I'm using in this video, don't forget to check out that description box down below so that way you can get your hands on this product. So y'all see how I was struggling with my wig, right? It was doing the electric sliding all over the place. This is exactly why you want to make sure that you invest into some T-pins. Using T-pins will definitely make styling your wigs or your mannequin a whole lot easier. And also, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Now I'm going to be using my hot comb on the temperature 400 to smooth out the ponytail section as much as possible, as well as just flatten out the top of my wig. Now, if you are new to wearing wigs, you definitely need to make sure you get yourself one of these hot combs. This tool right here will save your life, literally. Next, I'm using a rubber band to secure my ponytail in place, and I'm just going to braid the remainder of the ponytail and then wrap that braid into a bun and secure it with another rubber band. Here, I'm just going to flat iron the rest of my wig so that way everything is nice and popping. Now I'm going to use a single pack of braiding hair to make my bun. This part is so easy. All you have to do is attach the braiding hair to the ponytail with a rubber band and simply twist the hair until you get the bun that you prefer. Now, the tighter you twist your hair, the smaller your bun is going to be, and the looser you twist the hair, the larger your bun is going to be. I'm just going to be using bobby pins to secure my bun in place, and I'm also going to be adding in these super cute chopsticks to bring this entire look all together. And you all, I'm going to leave all the information to this hair down below in the description box, and don't forget to grab that coupon code so that way you can get a discount off your entire order. Now, if you are really enjoying this beginner-friendly hair tutorial with your girl, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and also share this video with your friends. It will greatly help my channel out a lot. But here you're just going to see me using 91% alcohol to clean my hairline before applying my wig. Now, doing this step will definitely help keep your unit from sliding or lifting too soon. Now y'all, I actually had to restyle my wig off camera after applying it. For some reason, my bun was just way too far forward, so I had to readjust it after applying my wig. And now I'm going to be applying some foundation on the lace to help camouflage my cap underneath. And you all, when I first got this wig, it was actually applied on me by another stylist, and I don't believe the knots were bleached. So please do not come for me in the comments about the lace. I know. And lastly, I'm going to be using the Ghost Bond glue to lay down the lace. Y'all, I was so nervous because the glue was not really drying as fast as I thought it was, so I just went on ahead and used my Got To Be Free spray to lay down the rest of the lace. y'all, so this is literally the last step. I'm going to be using the Got To Be glue gel to style my baby hairs. And y'all, that is all for this video. I hope that you all really enjoyed this detailed hair tutorial on how to style your lace front wig. And don't forget to drop me a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and also share this video with your friends. And remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay poppin', and I will see y'all in the next video.